In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to next line in cell in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is widely used for organizing and managing data, but sometimes you may want to display multiple lines of text inside a single cell. This is especially useful when adding notes, descriptions, or longer pieces of information without spreading them across multiple cells. Knowing how to move to the next line within the same cell helps keep your worksheet clean and easier to read. Let's begin with the first and most direct method. Start by clicking on a cell where you want to type your text. Once the cell is active, begin typing your content as you normally would. For example, you might type the word "go." Now, instead of pressing Enter, which would move you to the next cell, press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, Excel moves the cursor to a new line inside the same cell. You can immediately continue typing your next line of text. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. Each time you press Alt plus Enter, Excel inserts another line break within the same cell. This makes it very convenient when you want to organize information into separate lines while keeping everything inside a single cell. There is also another way to place text on multiple lines in the same cell, and that is by using the Wrap Text feature. To demonstrate this, click on a cell, such as cell B1, and begin typing a longer sentence or piece of text. Once you have entered the text, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Alignment section, you will see an option called Wrap Text. Click Wrap Text, and Excel will automatically adjust the way the text appears in the cell. Instead of continuing on one long line, the text will break into multiple lines so that it fits within the width of the cell. This makes the content easier to read without requiring you to manually insert line breaks. It is important to remember that Wrap Text works according to the width of the cell. If the text becomes longer than the available space, Excel automatically moves part of the text to the next line within the same cell. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also activate Wrap Text by pressing Alt, then H, and then W. This provides quick access to the same feature directly from your keyboard. While both methods are useful, the most precise way to move to a new line exactly where you want it is by using Alt plus Enter. This allows you to control exactly where each line begins within the cell. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.